How to discover people on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to discover people on Instagram. So it's so easy and quick, and let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon. Top there, and now click on the second before the last, discover people. Now all you need to do is follow people you know, users you know, or the type of content you want, anything. Click on the follow to follow them, and just keep search and discover people. So this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.